I'm getting ready to play this old record I've got in 1988. Dr. Calculus, designer beatnik. So wow, already owned this for 20 years. Put it in a disc keeper sleeve some time ago. And upon getting ready to clean the record before using on the new turntable, I was surprised to see the great shape this record is in. Couldn't really find any scratches on there. Wow, so I was already taking great care of my albums back then, even before it was fashionable. And so back in the day, we used to buy a lot of import records. Pretty expensive for back then, $30-$40 for a record. But this being said, this is a great album, and this is the first record I'm going to listen to as soon as the new turntable gets here. I will be cleaning this record prior to use, as it's been sitting in its sleeve for some time. I haven't had a turntable in a long while, so I'll be using the cleaning work mat here that you can assemble in 5 pieces that I also got a few years ago from Sleevecity with the supplied Phoenix record cleaner and the cleaning the cleaning cloth here, also supplied in this kit. Since I do not own the record cleaning machine, I guess I am the record cleaning machine, so we'll give it a nice wipe and let it dry well, both sides, and then prior to use we'll use the carbon fiber record brush to make sure that all residue dust will be gone, and so then we'll hear to the fuller extent the amazing recording here by Dr. Calculus.